In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly copy and paste within Smartsheet, as well as between Smartsheet and other programs. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to log into Smartsheet and navigate to your workspace. Once you're situated, go ahead and open the specific sheet where you plan to work. Now that you've accessed your desired sheet, it's time to highlight the information you wish to copy. You can do this by clicking directly on the row number, which selects the entire row. If your needs are more specific, you can also opt to select particular cells that contain the information you need. This part is a crucial step to ensure that you're copying exactly what you need without dragging along any unnecessary data. Being precise here will save you time and effort down the line. Once you've meticulously selected the rows or cells you're interested in, it's time to store this information temporarily. For Windows users, this involves using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. If you're a Mac user, you'll use CMD+C instead. Alternatively, you can right-click on your highlighted selection and choose the copy option from the resulting list. This step ensures that your data is safely stored in your clipboard, queued up and ready to be pasted where you need it. Next, move over to the destination within Smartsheet where you wish to paste your data, which could be another row or a specific cell. Here, you'll use the shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac to paste the data directly in place. Double-checking that the data has been transferred correctly at this stage is crucial. If adjustments or edits are necessary, now is the time to ensure the data aligns perfectly with your current project requirements. Switching gears, let's talk about transferring data between Smartsheet and other programs. This is an invaluable skill for working efficiently across multiple tools. Initially, as before, you will use Ctrl+C or CMD+C on a Mac to copy the data from Smartsheet. Once you've copied the data, navigate to the other program where you want this information to land, such as Microsoft Excel or a similar application. Once there, simply use Ctrl+V or CMD+V to paste the information into the new environment. This quick and seamless process fosters smooth transitions and helps maintain data integrity across diverse platforms, ensuring your work remains accurate and efficient. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can now adeptly copy and paste information within Smartsheet and effectively transfer it between Smartsheet and other programs. Mastering this skill will undoubtedly enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow, whether you're managing complex data, collaborating on team projects, or preparing detailed reports. Thanks for joining me today, and happy Smartsheeting!